Good morning. Hello everyone. This is your weird biker and welcome back to the channel. We are on the Electronic City highway, just crossing the nice road. The flyover is just above us and traveling towards Hosur right now. As you already know from the title, we are traveling to Kolli Hills, that is in Tamil Nadu, near Salem. By 8:30 in the morning, we made it to Hosur city. My friend Abhishek is also on this trip with his Hunter 350. By 9:15 we made it to Krishnagiri toll. Earlier it was a little cloudy, but now clouds are gone and it's super sunny. It's 11 a.m. now and we are around 50 kilometers away from Salem. And we already decided to take a lunch break in Salem. After crossing this giant hill on our left, we made it to the toll plaza outside Salem city. After driving 1 hour continuously, we were able to cross the whole Salem city and took our turn towards Nammakal, from where we will be diverting to Kolli Hills. Here we met a group of bikers, lot of amazing Harleys and BMWs riding with us. After crossing Salem, we took a stop for lunch.
A few moments later.
So lunch is done. We are heading back to the road. Total kilometer left is 74. Time is 12:47. According to map, we should reach by 2:30.
After driving for around 25 minutes, now we have to take a turn from the main highway towards a village.
So 48 kilometers more. We have just taken the left turn from the main highway. Now going towards the hills. It is showing 48 kilometers, which I already told. I can see some hills in front of me. Not sure which one is the Kolli Hills. We are passing through a village.
After crossing multiple villages, we finally reached to the starting point of the hairpin bends.
Get ready for so many hairpin bends.
The road goes through a forest area and there are around 70 hairpin bends in under 20 kilometers. So it's gonna be fun. I saved Kolli Hills in my maps to visit places long ago, but never got a chance. But finally we are here. I'm driving on these 70 hairpin bends and it feels totally different. And these curves are coming back to back. In under 20 kilometers, there are 70 hairpin bends, so you can imagine the intensity of these bends. So enjoy the ride along to the top of the hills. You can see even on these dangerous curves, people are driving so recklessly. This road is almost blind and they are coming on the opposite lane. There are buses and cars going up and down continuously. Still, we can't do anything about it and we continued our journey towards the final few hairpin bends left. We have already covered more than half of them, and here this is the 40th hairpin bend out of total 70 we have to cover.
And finally, the last hairpin bend. 70 out of 70 done. Some riders waiting on the last hairpin bend. So this is done in just few kilometers. The city will arrive or the town, and then we'll head towards our homestay from there. By 2:30, we reached our destination. So this is our homestay, Black Pepper Resorts. We parked our bikes and checked into our room. The property is quite nice, so we explored the property in the meantime. And by evening, it was little cold, so they started a bonfire and everyone staying gathered around and danced on the songs. And that is all for today. The next morning, it was all foggy, so we decided to take the drone out, and it was all worth it.
Okay, good morning. We stayed at this Black Pepper Resort and Cottages in Kolli Hills. Now it's time to go visit some places and then head back to Bangalore. It's 10 a.m. already. Amazing place. Pepper. So there is a lot of pepper and coffee plantation here. We are at the boat house. So our plan is to take a full round of Kolli Hills first, visit whatever viewpoints, waterfalls are here, and then move forward towards Bangalore. I think this is Botanical Garden. Oh my god, so many butterflies. भाई butterflies देख रहे हो? Butterflies यार. This was amazing experience. A peacock here. Nice. There were two, not just one, two of them.
We have almost covered the whole circle of Kolli Hills, and now we reach this viewpoint. It looked like a lighthouse, but on hills. There is an amazing view from the top, so the whole range is visible, so it's a nice spot.
Okay, so we just visited this viewpoint. I'm standing below the star. Now next viewpoint is the waterfall. Let's go. Anna, waterfall. Waterfall. Chalo, right. Sadly, there is no water at the waterfall, so we are now heading back It's super sunny. We are on the main road finally. Now we are heading back.
Before going back, one last job that is needed to be done is to fly drone above these hairpin beds. So for that, we were just spotting for a place where we can park and fly the drone. In the first attempt, I realized that I am at the wrong side of the hill and the hairpin bends are not visible from here. So I took the drone down and again we started driving ahead.
यहाँ रुक सकते हैं, यहाँ रोक लो। हाँ इधर ही रोक लो, परफेक्ट है। So we stopped at this hairpin bend, I think 63 number. Flown our drone, got some shots. Now it's time to head back home. Let's check everything. Cool. We'll need a refuel in the middle, but yeah, currently everything is sorted. Let's go. Okay. So hilly section is done. Now plains, 250 kilometers more. Let's go.
So that is all for this video. The route back home is exactly the same which we covered when coming here. If you loved this content, do like the video, comment on the video, subscribe my channel. It helps me a lot to grow. And that is all. Bye bye. Let's meet in the next video.